Okay, hello everybody. So I'm Paulina and I'm a postdoc at MDC.
Hello, I'm Pilar. I'm a postdoc, senior postdoc here at the IDC. We hope that you are actually enjoying this 10th anniversary with these amazing and inspiring talks and chats and opinions here. So now it comes, as Monica was saying, the last item of the day. After the post, we will have the group picture and hopefully fantastic dinner. So which is the poster session. So we'd like to encourage you, both of us, to visit the talks, the posters, and talk to the representatives of more than 40 posters has been selected. We were actually quite impressed by the wide range of individuals, also countries, also institutes. In fact, the abstracts are coming from more than 10 countries. Some are in collaboration in between institutes. About 40% of the posters are actually written by more than one person. And finally, the posters present points of view that I think we also talked about this with a wide range of individuals from different career stages and also positions, which if not ensures, at least it increases the chances of getting a diverse vision of the future of science that we are trying here to find.
Yeah, and if you don't have time yet to go through all the 40 posters, we kind of try to digest stuff for you and prepare like a brief slide with the summary when we try to like put ideas together, so kind of prepare you a brief guide what to expect. And we also would like to give a tiny sneak peek of what you can expect there. So here we are talking about the Science Institute of the Future and how we imagine science. But for those who are like now hungry a bit of the pure scientific results and scientific project, we encourage you to visit posters, for example, 11 and 13, where you can learn about the CRISPR screens and not only. Another important bit in the vision for the future is actually bringing the gap between the clinical science and the research in academia. And we also have several posters which kind of tackle on bridging this gap. And for example, here we encourage you to visit the poster number 9 with a compelling title, "A Physician Scientist a Day Keeps the Bench to Bedside Gap Away." And we've also been tackling and talking about the green science, so there are also several posters for those of us who are worried about the mother nature, and those posters explore the idea how our research can be more sustainable and how can we reduce the carbon footprint. And also, if you are more in a mood for some sci-fi, then you can head to our new technology sections and explore how we can use the different new technologies, like for example, artificial intelligence, to integrate it in the future of the science. And for that, we encourage you to visit poster 17, where you can learn how to implement virtual reality goggles in the scientific practice.
Nice. Thank you. So we've been already talking about this and the importance of the increased importance of scientific engagement. And so how, for instance, to talk to the public and the wider public and explain what we do so that they are not afraid of us and they don't perceive us as unapproachable wildlife coats. How to raise awareness of the importance of science, which we know, but they probably don't know that much. And so some of these answers are given also in the posters. You can see some of the numbers in there. Another very important pillar that also was touched during these conversations in order to build the future of science was diversity. And so several ideas were also given by the presenters of the posters related to nurture future scientists from different backgrounds. Also the fact of engaging, but also we had to retain women in science. And last but not least, there are some big bunch of posters related to development. And in this case, there are posters that are more related to how can we learn to improve well-being of researchers in science, in academia, as well as to design a perfect core facility, as Erin was pointing out before, or the success of new institutes that have been already developed.
Yes, so we really, really encouraged you to come, visit the posters, talk to the representative, and listen to these unique ideas how to shape the future of the science. And we also encourage you to vote for your favorite poster. So in the back of the room, you will have like a transparent box, and near the posters, there are number displays. So please select your favorite poster, mark the number, put it into the transparent box, and tomorrow we're gonna be announcing the winner of the Best Poster Award.
So vote today.
Yes, vote today. You can only vote during the poster session, so now. Thank you so much.
And I would like to call Pilar and Paulina because I'm really proud of our poster session. I don't see very often a crowded poster session, everybody shouting at each other because they cannot listen. And Pilar and Paulina made the job of collecting the votes that we did. And the floor is yours.
Hello, everyone, again. So as Marta has explained, the poster session was actually a great success. We have so many inspiring posters and so many people engaged and trying to talk to everyone. It was a bit difficult. I know that we didn't have too much time. Actually, because of that, in order to make the posters more widely available for everyone, the EU Live team would like to ask you, please email your electronic version of your posters so that they can create a repository of these successful innovative ideas and also tools so that we can all access them after this amazing conference.
And now it's actually our pleasure to give you the results of the poster session and present the winners of the Best Poster Award. So we would like to really thank you for actually casting a vote. We received 76 votes, and there was a fierce competition between 3 posters. Poster number 17 from the CRG team about the science fiction becomes virtual reality. Then poster number 33 from CMM about the metadata is all you need and how we can effectively use the data management. And the third poster in the competition was poster 36 from the Institute Curie, Snoopy the Meditation Dog. And now the winner is, join me with the drum rolls, it's actually Snoopy the Meditation Dog. And we would like to invite Valerie and Maxime to the stage to actually collect their award. Congratulations.
Hope they are here.
Thank you.
Thank you.